Are you looking as action cameras like the GoPro continue to gain popularity among adventurers, vloggers, and filmmakers? So does the need for high-quality accessories, especially lens filters. GoPro filters help manage lighting, reduce glare, and enhance color accuracy, whether you're skydiving, surfing, or filming a sunrise time-lapse. In this guide, we review the best GoPro filters based on optical quality, durability, compatibility, ease of use, and overall value. List number: Polar Pro Shutter Collection. Filters for GoPro Hero 9, 10, 11, 12. The Polar Pro Shutter Collection is one of the top choices for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. Designed specifically for the GoPro Hero 9 through 12, this 3-pack includes ND8, ND16, and ND32 filters, ideal for controlling shutter speed and achieving smooth, cinematic footage. These filters are built with high-quality, multi-coated glass for minimal color shifting and maximum clarity. The aerospace-grade aluminum frames are both lightweight and durable, ensuring they won't hinder your adventures. Installation is seamless, and they fit snugly on the GoPro's lens. Polar Pro also includes a compact protective case for safe storage. While they come at a premium price, the color fidelity and sharpness they deliver make them a smart investment for content creators aiming for professional quality visuals. List number: GoPro ND Filter 4-pack Hero 13 Black. Official GoPro lens AENDF 001. For Hero 13 Black users, the official GoPro ND Filter 4-pack is a no-brainer. Developed in-house by GoPro, this set includes ND8, ND16, ND32, and ND64 filters, offering excellent versatility in various lighting conditions, from overcast days to bright desert scenes. The filters snap securely onto the Hero 13's replaceable lens cover, ensuring a worry-free fit. Since they're OEM products, there's no concern about compatibility or color distortion. These filters are crafted from scratch-resistant optical glass and feature hydrophobic coatings to repel water and fingerprints, which is ideal for wet or dirty environments. Though the set is pricier than some third-party options, you're paying for guaranteed compatibility and GoPro's quality assurance. It's the most seamless choice for Hero 13 users who want reliability without compromise. List number: Neewer ND Filter Set, compatible with GoPro Hero 12, 11, 10, 9 Black. Neewer's ND Filter Set is a budget-friendly, yet surprisingly capable option for GoPro users looking to improve their video quality without breaking the bank. 4-pack includes ND8, ND16, ND32, and ND64 filters, giving you wide control over exposure settings. Made from high-definition optical glass with a multi-layer coating, these filters effectively reduce glare and reflections while maintaining solid image clarity. The aluminum frame feels robust and lightweight, although it doesn't have the same premium finish as higher-end brands. Installation is simple, but you may need to double-check the fit for extremely rugged use. Overall, for beginner to intermediate creators, this kit offers great performance at a very reasonable price, making it an excellent value for money pick. List number: Telesin Polarizing Filter for GoPro Hero 12, 11, 10, 9 Black. The Telesin Polarizing Filter stands out for its unique ability to reduce reflections and enhance color saturation, especially useful for outdoor shooting. Think water surfaces, glass, or bright skies. It's a single CPL, circular polarizer lens rather than a full ND set, but it delivers exceptional contrast and improved clarity in the right conditions. Built with aviation-grade aluminum and scratch-resistant optical glass, it offers decent durability and minimal distortion. It snaps directly onto GoPro models Hero 9 through 12 with a secure and snug fit. While it doesn't replace the need for ND filters for motion blur control, it excels in bringing out rich tones and managing glare in daylight. If you're shooting a lot of water sports or scenery, this filter is a worthy addition to your kit. List number: FP Vera ND Filter Set for GoPro Hero 12, 11, 10, 9 Black. FP Vera's ND Filter Set is a solid alternative for GoPro users seeking reliable performance without a premium price tag.
This 4-pack includes ND8, ND16, ND32, and ND64 filters, offering flexibility for various lighting conditions. Each filter is constructed from high-transparency optical glass with a multi-layer coating to reduce reflections and improve color accuracy. The aluminum frame is lightweight but sturdy enough for regular use. While the optical clarity is just slightly behind higher-end brands, it's more than sufficient for casual and semi-professional creators. The filters attach smoothly and stay in place well under normal action conditions. Overall, FP Vera provides a practical balance of affordability, performance, and protection, making this set ideal for everyday content creators who need consistent results on a budget.